Hello, everyone. Welcome or welcome back to Easy English with Stephanie. Today, we're going to practice simple English greetings. These are greetings people use every day. Don't worry if your English is still beginner level. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. Hello is a very common greeting in English. It sounds polite, friendly, and natural. You can say hello to friends, teachers, classmates, new people. Now, listen to this example.
Hello. Hello.
Good. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hello. Excellent job. Hi is a casual and friendly greeting. People usually use it with friends, classmates, brothers, sisters, or people they know well. Listen carefully to this example.
Hi.
Hi. Great. Now repeat after me. Hi. Very good. We usually say good morning when we meet someone in the morning, such as before school, before work, or at the beginning of the day. Listen to this conversation.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wonderful. Now repeat after me. Good morning. Excellent. We say good afternoon when we meet someone in the afternoon, usually after lunch and before evening. Listen to this example.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, Anna.
Great job. Now repeat after me. Good afternoon. Wonderful. People say good evening when they meet someone in the evening, usually after sunset. Listen carefully to this example.
Good evening, Anna.
Good evening, Ben.
Excellent. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Good evening. Amazing job. After saying hello or hi, people often ask, "How are you?" This question means, "How do you feel today?" It is a friendly and polite way to talk to someone. Listen to this example.
Hi. How are you, Anna?
I'm fine, Ben. Thank you.
Excellent. Now, repeat after me. How are you? Great job. Great job so far. Now, let's do a quick practice together. I will ask you some questions. Try to answer by yourself. Ready? Let's begin. What greeting can we use almost anywhere? That's right. Hello. Excellent. What greeting do we often use with friends? Correct. Hi. Very good. What do we usually say when we meet someone in the morning? Yes. Good morning. Wonderful. What do we usually say in the afternoon? That's correct. Good afternoon. Amazing. What do we usually say in the evening? Great. good evening. Excellent. After greeting someone, what question can we ask? Correct. How are you? Very good. And how can we answer that question? Wonderful. You can say, I'm fine, thank you. Or, I'm good. Excellent work today. Today, we learned hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. You did a great job today. Keep practicing a little every day. Little by little, your English will improve. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.